Hi everyone, how are you today? I hope you're doing great. Hoy vamos a hablar del verbo haber en inglés. En español es súper fácil porque solamente tiene una forma. Yo digo, hay un libro, hay 2 libros, hay 500 libros. Me da igual la cantidad, siempre voy a decir hay. Pero en inglés tenemos 2 formas. Es muy fácil, presta atención. Are you ready? Listen and look carefully. There is a ball. There's a ball. There are 2 balls. There are 3 balls. There are 4 balls. There are 8 balls. There are 9 balls. There are 10 balls. A lot of balls. Pero ¿qué pasa si la palabra empieza por vocal? Pues ahí tienes que prestar atención y en vez de decir a, dirás an. Look. There is an apple. There's an apple. There are 2 apples. There are 3 apples. Okay? There's 1 apple. There is 1 apple. Or there is an orange. There are 2 oranges. There are 3 oranges. An orange. 1 orange. Okay, now pay attention. Look, there is a ball in the box. It's here. There is a ball. Can you see it? Okay. Now, let's do a magic trick. There isn't a ball in the box. But what happens in plural? Look. There are 3 apples. And now, let's do another magic trick. Shadaan! I take another magic wand. There aren't any apples. ¿Y qué pasa cuando queremos hacer preguntas sobre si hay? Is there an apple? Ta-da! Yes, there is. Is there an apple? Ta-da! No, there isn't. There's an orange. Are there 2 balls? Ta-da! Yes, there are. Are there 3 balls? Ta-da! No, there aren't. There are 4 balls. Bye!